Hello friends, welcome to CADCAM Nation. Today's video, I'm going to show you that how to create this mechanical design. So as you can see here, we have isometric view of a mechanical component, and I'm going to show you that how to read that isometric view and create 3D object out of it right inside NX12. So before proceeding into the tutorial, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And without wasting any time, let's get started. So as you can see here in the isometric view, I'm gonna start with the box. Like, I'm gonna select the sketch. So as you can see here in the drawing area, by default the plane is already selected, XY plane. So simply click on OK. Now go to and select the rectangular and hit center point rectangle. Start from the origin, drag it outward, click, and second click. Okay, so I'm gonna give its width and length and width. So in the front it is equals to, it is going to be 160 millimeter, and equals to 18 plus 18, 36 plus 30, 96 millimeter. Here we go. Click close. Now select the extrude. When you select the extrude command, so you can simply drag the arrow according to your required height, or you can simply add the height. As it is represented here, it is 92, but there is a little radius at the top corner, so I'm gonna extrude it up to 88. 92 minus 4, so enter 88 and click OK. You can select the line and hide the sketch from there. Fillet command from here, so select the edge blend from here, select the edge you want to fillet like these two, and enter the value equals to 20 millimeter and click OK. There it is. Now select this face to create the extrude cut feature. So as you can see, when I put my cursor on the face, that face highlights itself. So click on the surface. It will give you option which surface you want to select the face on which you want to create the sketch. So I'm gonna go with the first one and click OK. It will align to your view, and I'm gonna start with the center line. I'm gonna make it construction line. So here is the option, convert to reference line or construction line. Select the rectangle and change the 2-point rectangle like this. Okay, I'm gonna make this symmetrical along the center line, so go to more and select symmetric. Again, select the line, or you can select the point, second point, and the center line. Now you can see it is now symmetric. Click close, and as you can see, it is 16 millimeter on both the sides. We need to give it a dimension from the side. and enter the value 16 millimeter and enter the height equal to 68 millimeter. Click close. Now again I need to remove the material from this sketch, so click on extrude. So in order to extrude cut, you just need to change its direction. As you can see, it is now inside, and at the end condition you can simply select the until next and click OK. It will automatically extrude cut the feature you just created. Now time to give fillets and on the inner parts. So select the edge planes, select the two edges like this, and we need it 20 millimeters, so leave it as it is, equals to 20 millimeter, and click OK. So far so good. Now it is time to cut from this side. So select the sketch, select the face, and click OK. Now select the line, start from the origin and draw the center line like this. You can make it construction line like this. Now select the circle, start from the origin or start from the line and drag it outwards. Enter the diameter equals to 60, and I just wanted to make tangent this circle with the bottom one edge, so go to geometric constraints, select the tangent, select the circle, and as you can see it is now tangent with the bottom surface. Now select this profile Z or continuous line, start from this position. You can start from anywhere, so start from this position. I just want to create the closed loop like this. Okay, now time to give some constraints to it. Make it tangent this line with this, select the line and circle, already tangent, so nothing to worry about. Make it vertical, select the vertical constraints, select these 2 points, select the point and the top point. Again select the bottom and the top. Now it is perfectly vertical. Now time to trim. Select the quick trim option from here, select the circle to trim out like this and click close. Now I'm gonna extrude cut this feature, so select the extrude, change its direction, and from the end condition select until selected. That means up to surfaces, up to which surface I wanted to extrude cut. So just simply select the surface and click OK. So we have the feature right there. Hide the sketch. Now time to create the feature on the top of the surface, so select the sketch again, then top surface and click OK. As you can see, there are lots of center line and rectangular option I'm selecting. This is a very simple and easy object or mechanical component I'm showing you how to create in NX12. So okay, again start from the origin and outwards and select up to edge. Okay, then double click on the dimension and make it equals to 120 millimeter and hit enter. That's it. Click close. Make it you can delete this. Now time to extrude it and give it the extrusion value of 4 millimeter and click OK. Now time to hide the sketch. There it is. So I'm gonna make the extrude cut feature on this surface. Again, select sketch and the surface, click OK. Now again, select the rectangle, midpoint rectangle, and first you need to select the sketch, start, and make a sketch like this. Okay, you can change it to construction line. Now select the sketch, midpoint, and make a rectangle like this. Now we have a rectangle, so give it width equals to 56 millimeter and length equals to 70 millimeter. So far so good. Now it is time to extrude cut it. So extrude, change its direction, and enter the value of extrude cut equals to 10 millimeter and click OK. Hide the sketch. Now it is time to make the holes, drilled holes on the sides 4 corner. So again, select the sketch, select the top surface and click OK. Make a construction line like this from the center and vertically construction lines, make it like this. Now select the circle and draw circles like this. So time to give the interdimensions. I'm gonna delete those dimensions. So now it is time to give dimensions. So select the rapid dimension. Before giving it dimension, you just need to make them symmetrical along the center line. So select the center points of the circle and make it symmetrical. Again, do this like this. Okay, then I'm gonna select another part like this and like this. So give the dimension between the circle equals to 72 millimeter like this, and distance along this equals to 96 millimeter. Also change the diameter of the circles equals to 12 millimeter each. Like this. So go to extrude cut, change its direction, and at the end value select until next and click OK. Now you can hide the sketch from here, as you can see. Now time to create the circle or extrude cut feature at the center of this extrude cut feature. Click OK. Now again, I'm gonna create the construction line like this, and select the circle, start from the origin and enter the value equals to 38 millimeter and click close. Go to extrude cut feature again and then change its direction and any condition until next, click OK. Now it is time to give fillets around the corners. So go to edge blend and I want to make this equals to 3 millimeters. So select the edge like this and apply. Now change the value to 2 millimeter and select the bottom edge and click OK. So now you can see we are almost done. The one more feature it is left is the extrude cut feature from the side. So go to sketch and select the surface and click OK. Again, draw the line like this. Select the rectangle, 2-point rectangle, draw it like this, make symmetrical, select the two lines and the center line and click close. Okay, so it should be equals to 38 millimeter wide and height should be equal to 6 millimeter and click close. Now time to extrude cut. Change its direction and value to until selected. Select the surface and click OK. Now you can hide the sketch. Now as you can see, we have fully created this mechanical component. This is how you can create basic mechanical component inside NX12. So what we have learned in this tutorial, as you can see, this is a simple mechanical component the way I made it. You can also experiment with your own style. You can make your different approach to create this component. You are free to explore. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, share with your friends. Just write down your comments, what you think about this video. Just write below into the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So for more videos, you should keep following me on YouTube. So till then, bye bye.